Welcome back everyone. In this video we will just use the rank function to find the rank of the students. For example, we have these records. To find the rank for these students like this, so we will use the rank function. So let's do it. Okay, we have a sheet and we have this data where we have the data of subjects and the total of these subjects, and now we would like to find the rank. So first of all, let's create a new column for the rank. In this cell, now we will use the rank function equal to rank. Okay, this rank which is also compatible with Excel 27 and earlier. Press tab to open this function. So after that, we will select this first cell. Look at 255. So after selecting this comma, now we will select this data set where we want to calculate the data, the rank. So after selecting this data, now we will press F4 to lock these cells. So let's press F4. Okay, we have locked this. Okay, to lock these cells, it means you can place a $sign before every row and column name. So let's press now column. Now descending and ascending, it means this will be sorted based on this list that the data set that you provided. So for example, let's press 0 descending and press shift, close the parenthesis and press enter. So we have the rank for this student which is 3. Okay, the rank is 3 for 255. So now let's drag it down. So look at, we have just defined the rank for all these students. Now let's sort it. Okay, so we will sort this data. So to sort this data, let's apply filter on this. So to apply filters, come here to the data and press filter. Now let's sort this smallest to largest, or largest to smallest. So let's, for example, largest to smallest. So look at, we have sorted the data also. This is the first one, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. But for example, if two students has the same values, then they will get the same rank. For example, let's make it 255. So look at, it will get the 3, same 3 as it was for this student, 3. So it will skip 4 because it will come directly to the 5. So in these, you can just make it like based on decimal points or whatever you can do. So it will just assign the same rank for these same numbers. So it was how to use the rank for the students and rank the students in a table. So if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment down. Thanks for watching.